Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of modern bedroom design. If you are looking to transform your bedroom into a stylish and comfortable oasis, you have come to the right place. We have got some fantastic ideas to share with you. First up, let's talk about the minimalistic bedroom design. This style is all about less is more. You will want to keep your bedroom cluttered free with clean lines and a natural colors pattern. Think about incorporating simple furniture and adding some natural elements like plants to create a clamping atmosphere. We have the industrial chic bedrooms. This style combines rustic and urban elements. Consider using raw materials like exports, bricks, and steel essence. It's a unique blend of warmth and coolness, creating a modern yet cozy feel. Moving on the Scandinavian inspiring design. This style is known for its simplicity and functionality. Light colors, wooden furnitures, and lots of nature light are key here. It's a great choice for those who love a bright and air space. For a more relaxed and electric feel, go for a bohemian vibe in your bedroom. Think about mixing patterns, add lots of textile like rug and curtains, and incorporating colorful decor. It's all about expressing creative and personality. If you are into the latest technology, consider a high-tech modern bedroom. Smart lighting, built-in speakers, and automatic curtains can make your room not only stylish but also super convenient. The key is to choose a style that resonates with your personal taste and make you feel comfortable. And don't forget, a good night's sleep is the ultimate goals for any bedroom design. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Feel free to leave your comments and question below, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.